Folks, we're back with a short video on how we clean up and put things away after Christmas. We've had a big response on that. The people are interested, so I'm going to do a quick vlog style video for you on what we've done so far. I'm just in the dining room and I got about 10 hours into it. a little bit at other places. Right here on my take on home and garden. Alrighty folks, so here's some of what's going on. I'm just working in the dining room because that'll be the first thing I need freed up to continue on and do some more videos that aren't Christmas. And here's what that looks like. You know, I've talked before, I love the bins. You can't have enough bins to keep organized. You do a little at a time, as much as you can. Now I've just taken some of the ornaments off I had on the little pencil trees in the dining room. That's not all of them. You can see the garland is bare over the hutch. Things coming off the shelf, getting put away, looking real odd. Now also I put away all our cloth teak. That's usually what I do first, so they don't get, you know, knocked off, bumped, or broke. Try to have a routine. Like I said, turn up the music. Think about the new flea markets and sales and things that we're going to be going to. Keep it fun. That way it's not a bummer and it's not a downer. But I used to really struggle with Christmas being over, because when you love something so much and then it's taken away, so to speak, it's a little tough act. So I had to learn, really over time, how to deal with that. So here's gold. There's holly picks. And I just wanted to show you, here's what I do. I take a sticker sheet, you know, the self-stick gift tags. I'll fill that in. Now I like the clear bins because first of all you can see what's in them. If it's confusing, you can mark on your tag what's in them. So here's holly picks. Okay, and we go right down the line. This is just 2 of 5 of the bigger flat bins that I love for the bigger tree picks and floor vase picks. So this is all gold. You can see this is all white. This new bin I showed you I picked up, that's all boxwood with berries. The next one is, for the most part, holly with berries. And then the next one is all fruit picks. Then we go a little smaller. We got frozen and regular berry picks on green pine and holly. Then there's blue with holly and different blue picks. And then there's cranberry and red with pine. And then there's a bin of just red. Now these will be packed full, and there will be more than one, because that's how many it takes. So you can see we're starting to reduce down. When you take that green pine away, it's not the same, is it? Well, that's what's going on. Here's our big batch of white florals that I separate because I'm going to use them again in the spring, summer, and a little bit in the fall. They get quite a bit of use. Here's another bin of what I call frozen. It's mostly white berries and pine with pine cones and the frozen look. And I'll give you a shot across the room. You can see, not in a hurry to take everything down. The Victorian tree is there, the fireplace. We even got the table partially set up to how we eat our everyday meals. We'll have a charger. So long, Christmas 2020. We'll be back for 2021. You better believe it. And that, folks, is what's going on at my take on home and garden. All right, folks, so that's our packing up Christmas video. We hope you enjoyed it. You got to see a look at how I take it down, how I don't get upset and get mad about it, and you got to just make it fun. Looking forward to spring. But before that, we're going to do some winter arrangements. We're going to clean, we're going to tidy up, and I got a couple of tables coming up that are off the chain, guys. And a couple garden videos. We still have flowers blooming here, so we'll try to cheer you up with that. Thank you, and give us a like, a share, a comment, a boatload of subscribers. Send them over, guys, we're ready. We'll take care of them. Right here on my take on home and garden. See you soon.